How to insert a ruler in MS Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get or insert ruler in Microsoft Word, or how you can enable to show the horizontal and vertical ruler in Microsoft Word. Now the process is quite simple. Here you can see I've opened up MS Word and a page is opened up. Now the process is quite similar on the MS Word app itself and on the browser as well. Now here I am on the browser. I'll be showing you through the browser. What you want to do is at here, once you open up the page, you'll get an interface like this. Click on the view option that you'll find at the top of the screen. On your app, you'll find it somewhere right here, but on browser, you'll find it right here. Simply click on view option here. And then once you click on view, you'll find the option ruler. You can see this. Simply click on it. And once you click on it, it'll be enabled. You can see the ruler has been enabled. So this way, simply you can enable, or if you again tap on it, it'll be disabled. So all you have to do is head into view option and you'll find ruler option, and you can tap on it to enable or disable. So this way you can insert ruler in MS Word. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.